Good morning, all the students of class 8. Welcome back to SPS online classes, and today we will continue with our topic. Topic is that area of polygon and subject is mathematics. Okay, so last class we were discussing about area of polygon, how we will calculate the area of the given polygon. Okay, doesn't matter the polygon is regular or polygon is irregular. Okay, so today we will take another example. Okay, after that your confusion maybe is completely removed. Okay, the before exercise, that means exercise के questions को solve करने से पहले we will take more few examples. Okay, the first example is that you find the area of the octagon. Okay, so look at this is the figure is known as octagon. Why? Because there is 8 sides in the figure. अब look at this is the octagon. Okay, and this one is parallel to this line is parallel to this line. Okay, this line is parallel to this line. Look at this, so we can mention the name A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay, so A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, it's a octagon, it's a regular octagon. Okay, having each sides equal to 5 centimeter. Okay, having each side equal to 5 centimeter, that means what? There are 8 sides. Look at the figure, all sides are equal. That means AB should be equals to BC should be equals to CD should be equals to DE equal to EF equal to FG and AG equal to AH या फिर HA. Okay, that means it's a regular octagon. That's why all the sides of the regular octagon, okay, sorry, all the sides of octagon is equal. It's a polygon ना, तो ये कैसा polygon है? It's a regular polygon. तो regular polygon का definition क्या है कि all sides are equal. Okay, all sides are equal. That's why this one. अब look at this. It's an octagon. So there are 8 sides. Octagon means 8 sides. Oct का मतलब होता है 8. So there is 8 sides. Look at this. कि all sides are equal to each other. All sides are equal to each other. अब look at this. अब इसका एरिया कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? तो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल we don't have any formula to calculate the such kinds of it. We haven't any formula to calculate the area of such kinds of figure. Okay, so we will just convert the figure into other geometrical figure. That means what? Whose area is known. अब look at this, and HC a given centimeter and AL perpendicular HC. Okay, HC 8 centimeter. HC, this is the side which is given 8 centimeter. This will be equals to 5 centimeter. Okay, and HC is the side which is given 8 centimeter. So this one is also equal to this one. Okay, so we will draw what? कि HC parallel to GD, and AL perpendicular HC and AL perpendicular HC. अब look at this. This is the line. Okay, it's a A, it's a L which is perpendicular to HC. That means what? And AL perpendicular to HC. That means what? It makes an angle of 90 degree with HC. Okay, and such that AL equals to 4 centimeter. And the length of AL is 4 centimeter. This is the basic information which is given about the questions. Okay, next, so you have to find the area of the given polygon. अब look at this. तो obviously ये देखो, ये this length we will construct it draw what? It's a F, it's a L. Suppose कि FM is perpendicular. FM is perpendicular GD. Okay, we can draw कि FM is perpendicular GD. FM is perpendicular GD और अब look at this, अब look at this, look at the picture कि there are 3 figures. अगर सपोज को इस फिगर को हम रिमूव कर दे फ्रॉम द होल फिगर, तो फिगर लुक्स लाइक दैट, फिगर लुक्स लाइक दैट, ये फिगर ऐसा दिखेगा. ओके, दिस इज द A एंड दिस पॉइंट इज L, इट्स H, इट्स C, इट्स B, इट्स अ फर्स्ट फिगर. ओके, इट्स अ फर्स्ट फिगर. अब फ्रॉम द बॉटम यहाँ से काट के हटा देंगे. अब सपोज दैट तो फिगर कैसा दिखेगा, फिगर लुक्स लाइक दैट, फिगर लुक्स लाइक दैट. ओके, इट्स अ G, इट्स अ D एंड it's a E, it's a F. okay, this is a figure. okay, तो हम लोग यहाँ पे क्या कर सकते हैं, ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं परपेंडिकुलर टू द GD. तो इट्स अ हाइट, इट्स अ हाइट ऑफ द फिगर एंड दिस वन इज द ऑल्सो HEIGHT हाइट ऑफ द फिगर. लुक एट दिस, दिस लाइन इज पैरेलल टू दिस लाइन एंड मे बी इक्वल. अब लुक एट दिस कि दिस लेंथ, दैट मीन्स ये जो लेंथ है, ये जो लेंथ है, दिस विल बी इक्वल टू व्हाट, दिस लेंथ, दिस विल बी इक्वल टू व्हाट, दिस लेंथ. मतलब कर सकते हैं व्हाट, ये क्या है, F. यहां पे ड्रॉ कर देते हैं, यहां पे कि FM इक्वल टू AL कर सकते हैं, इक्वल टू 4 सेंटीमीटर. अब लुक एट दिस कि द होल फिगर इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 फिगर्स, द होल फिगर इज डिवाइडेड इनटू 3 फिगर्स. तो फर्स्ट फिगर, दिस इज द वन, कि फर्स्ट फिगर लुक्स लाइक अ ट्रेपेजियम. तो फर्स्ट फिगर इज अ ट्रेपेजियम एंड सेकेंड फिगर इज अ रेक्टेंगल. लुक एट दिस, सेकेंड फिगर इज अ रेक्टेंगल विच इज at middle portion and last figure is also looks like a, last figure is also looks like a trapezium. The whole figure is divided into 3 terms. पहला trapezium, rectangle and trapezium. So now we have proper formula to calculate the area of trapezium, rectangle and again trapezium. Now we can mention this line what, the area of octagon, area of octagon ABCDEFG. तो area of octagon OCTA octagon ABCDEFGHA. okay, now the area of octagon ABCDEFGHA equal to, अब look at this, in the figure there are 2 figures, figure is a trapezium. okay, so as we know that the area of trapezium, okay, so this one is also trapezium and this one is also trapezium. देखो this line and dimensionally this figure is equal to this figure, मतलब this one is equal to this one, this one is equal to this one, this length is equal to this length and this one is equal to this length. That means what, the dimension of first figure and dimension of third figure is completely equal. okay, so we will not calculate the formula separately, we will simply multiply it by 2. अब look at this, so 2 into, we can mention this line कि area of trapezium, what, trapezium, this one कि ABCH plus this one and FEDZ plus, okay, area of this figure. तो area of this figure, that means what, कि area of rectangle, area of GDCH. ओके, या फिर ऐसे लिख सकते हैं कि area of figure 1 plus figure 2 plus figure 3. ओके, तो area of figure 1 plus figure 2 plus figure 3 नहीं, अगर तीनों का एरिया कैलकुलेट करके हम ऐड कर देंगे, दैट इज द होल एरिया ऑफ द गिवन पॉलीगन. Now we will write, look at this, this is the polygon, so 2 into, okay, 2 into, look at this, area of what, trapezium, half into sum of parallel side. As we know that by the definition कि one pair of opposite side are parallel in a trapezium. So this one is, I mean AB is parallel to HC, AB is parallel to HC. तो sum of parallel side, तो sum of parallel side मतलब what, कि AB plus HC into height. The height of the trapezium is, this is the height, that means AL. it's complete, and plus this one, area of figure 2, that means what, area of rectangle, so HC into DC. Okay, now look at this, 2 into 1 by 2 into what is the value of AB? AB is given what? AB is given 5 centimeter. It's a 5 centimeter. Okay, so 5 plus this one is 8 centimeter. What is the value of HC? HC is 8 centimeter. 8 into what is the value of DC? So DC is the height, sorry, AL. AL is the height 4 centimeter, which is given in the questions. 4 centimeter. And bracket close, and plus HC is 8 into 5. So 2 into half into 13 into 4. Okay, and plus 8 5 is 40. Now look at this, 2 should be cancelled, so 52 plus 40 equals to 92. Sorry, SC is given 11 centimeter. SC is given 11 centimeter. 11 centimeter. This is 11 centimeter. 11 centimeter. Okay. SC is given 11 centimeter. So finally 11. So now the value is 11 5 is 55 and 11 plus 16. Okay. 16 into 4. So now the value is 16 into 4 plus 55. The value is 64 plus 55 equals to 119 centimeters square. Okay, this is the required area of the given octagon. Okay. Okay, we will take another example. Maybe it's your homework. Okay, you find the area of the given hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F. Okay, it's a hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F. So A, B, C, D, E, F is the hexagon. Okay, in which each side measures 5 centimeter. Each side measures 5 centimeter. मतलब what कि all the side of the given polygon is equal 5 centimeter. So also this one is 5 centimeter and all sides are 5 centimeter. Look at this. That means what we can mention? What? AB equals to BC equals to CD equals to D equals to EF equal to FA equal to 5 centimeter. Okay. Side of the, now look at this, side of the polygon is given, okay, and height and width. Find the area of the hexagon A, B, C, D, E, F in which each side measure 5 centimeter, height BE. So height of the polygon. So this is the height of the polygon. Look at this. This is the height of the polygon. This is the height of the polygon. Okay, this is the height of the polygon. Okay, this is the height of the polygon. This is the height of the polygon. And width 8 centimeter. Width of the polygon, that means what? This one. This is the width of the polygon. This is the width of the polygon which is given 8 centimeter. You can also join this line. You can also join this line. Okay, this is the width of the polygon. Okay, so obviously it's a height. Okay, so it's given is that AD is the height of the polygon is 11 centimeter. Okay, height of the polygon is 11 centimeter. Sorry, BE is the height. In the questions, AD is the height of the polygon. Okay, AD is the height of the polygon, and also you can say that FB or EC is width of the polygon, which is equal to 8 centimeter. 8 centimeter. So this length is equal to 8 centimeter. Okay, 8 centimeter. And this is the height of the polygon. This is the height of the polygon, which is equal to 11 centimeter. Which is equal to 11 centimeter. Find the area. Find the area. Just look at the picture carefully. Look at the picture carefully. अब suppose that it's a center line. Height of the polygon is the center line. It's a center line. It's a center line. So obviously the line AD is divided the width. That means this line is into equal 2 parts. Divided into equal 2 parts. That means what? This one is this line is equal to this line, or this line is equal to this line. Now look at this. The whole line is, the length of whole line is 8 centimeter. So obviously this one is 4 centimeter. This length is 4 centimeter, and also this length is 4 centimeter. Okay. Now the figure is divided into 2 parts. Now the figure is divided into, look at this. Now the figure looks like that. Look like that. Okay. Now the figure is look like that. This one is first part, and similarly this one is second part. Now look at this. The figure looks like a what? The figure looks like a trapezium. All the dimensions are given. All the dimensions are given. So it's your homework. It's your homework. You find the area. Find the area. Okay. And finally, and Priyanka, your solution question number 2 is not correct. At the place of some dimension is missing. Okay. So first of all, you have to check your dimensions in the questions. Okay. And second is that you have to calculate the area of this polygon. Okay. All the dimensions are given, and I completely explained. Okay. मैं explain कर चुका हूँ. I have done. Okay. And all the tricks actually I have delivered to you. नहीं, in that instant. Okay. So you have to calculate the area and send your solution on your WhatsApp group. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day. And just complete exercise 18B. Okay, just complete the exercise 18B, most of the questions. Okay, all the questions are similar to the concept. Chalo, thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.